This is Cast Elk Puzzle, a level 5 out of 6 difficulty, and ang objective na to, mapaghiwalay mo yung dalawang pieces na to. Yung dalawang pieces na to, it's a head of an elk, ayan, tapos ito yung horns niya, and ang objective niyan, mapag-untangle mo itong dalawang heads ng elk, no? So how do you do it? First is look for the Hanayama branding na may head. So ito yung steady piece mo, hindi mo nagagalawin yan. Tapos ang imamaneuver mo is the other piece which says NOB. Yan yung imamaneuver mo. So how do you do it? First is, kailangan pagtapatin mo yung dalawang ulo, ulo-ulo lang. Diba? Next is, yung NOB should be facing up and yung horn should be facing you, like this. Tapos iaangat mo. Ayan siya. Ito yung angle and this is how it looks. Next is, itong piece na to, itong part na to, should go through the NOB piece, tulad yan. Tapos, remember that these are two identical pieces. No? So kung anong ginawa mo dun sa isa, ganun rin yung gagawin mo sa isa para walang nagsiselos, di ba? So, ayan. Exactly the same movement. Fluid movement. Ayan. Ito yung top and ito naman yung bottom. Di ba? Pag napalusot mo na yan, angat mo na yung second piece like this. And itong piece lang na to, yung i-untangle mo. At pag nagawa mo na yan, you will be able to separate both pieces. Yun lang.